80 animals.
Mouse.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to 80 Animals. Are you prepared to study? Great! You're going to learn a lot in this class. This time, we will learn about mice. This is a mouse. Its tail is very long. We will begin by learning some words. Get ready!
Trap. This is cheese on a trap. We use a trap to catch animals. Mice are the main animals we use a trap for. Do you think a mouse would come to the trap to eat the cheese? Playful. A playful animal is lively and cheerful. In the picture, the dog is playful. It plays well with the boy. What other animal is playful with people? Character. A character is a living thing in a movie or book. Animals or people are used the most as characters. The picture shows people characters. The girl's name is Lucy, and the boy's name is Max.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Character. Trap. Playful.
It's time to read a story. After you read, you'll take a quiz.
Some food at home gets stolen. What animal do you think stole it? I think it would be a mouse. Some people don't like a mouse being in the house. They put cheese in a trap to catch the mouse. Or they raise cats to catch it. But some people raise a mouse as a pet. They think a mouse is playful and loving. What is the most popular animal character in the world? It's Mickey Mouse. A mouse can be friendly, like Mickey Mouse. Do you know what we say for more than one mouse? We say mice. Why do people put cheese in a trap? To catch a mouse. To feed a mouse. What animal is the character Mickey. Cat. Mouse. What is true about a mouse? More than one mouse is called mice. Nobody has a mouse as a pet.
How was the class today? Was it easy or hard? That's all for now. I will see you next time. Goodbye.